How to color splash in Picsart. Want to highlight one color and turn the rest black and white? Here's how to do a color splash in Picsart. Start by opening your photo and going to Effect. Apply the black and white effect to turn everything gray. Then use the eraser tool on the effect layer to reveal the original color in just the areas you want. Zoom in for more precise erasing and adjust the brush size for details. When you are happy with the splash effect, click apply and save your work. Do you use color splash on flowers or portraits? Tell us in the comments below. Vibrant reds and blues work especially well when contrasted with black and white. And that's how you can color splash in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.